In this video, you're going to learn where you can get volume profile indicator entirely for free and how it will help you make really accurate trades to make more money. Before I will show to you where I analyze it, let me show to you how volume profile is so important. Even example previous trades that we took on Dogecoin with our community. This stuff, volume profile, it is exactly this stuff. It shows to us how many contracts were traded at some certain prices. Here, as you can see, it is center of volume profile that calls POC, point of control. And additionally, we use additional confirmation. It's a footprint. It is another stuff. Significant volume at center of volume profile showed long signal. After that, we took beautiful trade. Price within several days pumped by 15%. It's insane accuracy. That's why volume profile is so important for us. Another example, have a look here. It is a trade of our student on Access Infinity. Beautiful short. Have a look on insane accuracy. What was the major reason of that trade? Pay attention, my friend. Here, it is a volume profile stuff, volume profile indicator. Price exactly retested. Here, additional big volume happened and price just dropped. Really beautiful accuracy. By the way, you can get access to this strategy. Below this video, there would be free PDF. Download and learn the strategies that will help you make money. In most cases, there are two platforms where you can analyze it. Each of them have advantages and disadvantages, and let's learn them. First, it is a Tradingview. Second, it is ATAS. ATAS, it is a special platform that I use for trading, for chart analysis, and for dominant footprint. You can see charts of ATAS. It is like this one on BTC. You can download this platform that would be linked below description entirely for free for crypto market. Crypto market 100% free. Let's cover for a start Tradingview, advantages of Tradingview. Firstly, Tradingview is easy to use and you can use it on multiple platforms. You can use it macOS, on your phone, tablet, PC, Windows, doesn't matter, everywhere. Beautiful, easy to set up. Tradingview have a major disadvantage that you need to pay 155 USD per year to use this volume profile indicators. If for you easy to pay this money, use Tradingview, it's okay. Second, it is ATAS. Here you can use it free for crypto. ATAS have only one disadvantage. It is for Windows only. That means you cannot use it on a tablet, your phone, only from your home or work PC. But what ATAS have advantages compared to Tradingview? Additional advantage, volume profile shows here way more accurate. I think you saw on Tradingview, it's like slightly with no clear levels where big volume distributed, but pay attention here. It builds exact level where biggest volume traded, and have a look how insanely accurate it is here. But compare on Tradingview, it slides together so many levels and you don't see exactly at what level where biggest volume traded. My friend, remember to push like and subscribe to this channel, because in BikoTrading we help traders around the world to thrive, become profitable and achieve their goals. And if it sounds similar to you, hit that subscribe button. Short summary about this platform's Tradingview. You pay 155 USD per year, but you have access to all platforms. ATAS free, but it is for Windows and it's way accurate. Decide for you what's better. About ATAS and Tradingview, below this video there would be full tutorials and download links at this moment you can use. And also highly recommend you to watch at this moment this video lessons about strategy that based on volume profile plus footprints that will help you become profitable. 100% free. Click right now.